You take us through what happened in court.
Yes, Colette. Well, the court heard that Shauni Breen was born at Wexford General Hospital in 1997. She was of 33 weeks gestation, and her twin sister was born quite healthily 40 minutes before her, but it took 40 minutes to deliver Shauni. And it was alleged that during this time she suffered an avoidable oxygen deprivation, and that resulted in a brain injury, leaving her profoundly disabled with severe cerebral palsy and severely limiting the function of her legs. Now, she took a case against the HSE over the circumstances of her birth, alleging negligence in that there was a failure to provide an appropriate medical team in what was a high-risk labour in which she was in a difficult position in the womb, and also failing to deliver her via C-section within 15 minutes of her twin being delivered. And her counsel, Dr. John O'Mahony, told the court that she has failed to meet developmental milestones throughout her life, and this is extremely apparent because she is a twin. He said that she has extreme difficulty walking, she needs constant care, and she finished up her special schooling at the age of 19, and she now attends an Enable Ireland centre 5 days a week. Now, she has now settled her case against the HSE for a total of €35.2 million without an admission of liability. There was a previous interim settlement of €1.95 million. It then came back, that was in 2018, so it's back in court 5 years later. And today, Mr Justice Paul Coffey approved a final payment of €33.2 million, bringing the total number to €35.2 million and making it the highest ever personal injury settlement in the history of the state. And afterwards, the family's solicitor spoke briefly outside court.
Notwithstanding the daily challenges Shauni encounters, she continues to maintain her sunny disposition and brings joy to everyone who meets her. She's a kind, gentle, cheerful girl. It is clear that she is the central figure in a large and loving family. Shauni and her family are relieved to have closure on the lengthy legal process against the HSE. The payments which will be made to Shauni over the coming years through the wards of court office will ensure Shauni leads her life to the best of her ability, having the benefit of the many treatments.
Now, this settlement will be paid in instalments over the course of Shauni's life, with the court hearing that she will require care for the rest of her life, and Mr Justice Coffey saying he was satisfied that it was a fair and reasonable settlement, and being assured that it was sufficient for each period of her life. And he said that he wanted to wish Shauni all the best for the future, and also to commend her family for the care that they provided to her so far.
All right, Nicole, thank you for all of that.